Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, I got another amazing recipe here for you guys. I got some cauliflower here, guys. I'm gonna make cauliflower nuggets. All right, guys. I got a perforated pan right here. You guys can see. I put it over the pot here. Put some water inside, and I'm gonna get these cauliflower right inside and blanch them on the top. Guys, they're already washed, ready to go to make our cauliflower nuggets. Guys, these are amazing. You guys gonna love these. All the vegetarians will love these. Sure, your kids will love these as well. Guys, we're gonna get them right on the stove top right now and get our marinade ready for the cauliflower nuggets. Guys, so for the cauliflower nuggets, guys, I got buttermilk here. I'm using a cup and a quarter of buttermilk right here, and I got about a cup and a half of flour right here, and right here got a teaspoon of oregano, guys, going in, and a teaspoon of black pepper going in the flour, teaspoon of mustard powder, grounded mustard, and right here I have a tablespoon of chicken spice and a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. That's right in the flour. A tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of garlic powder, guys. All right, we're just gonna whisk this together. And our cauliflower, guys, they're on the stove top going right now. All right, so we're gonna get those off and get them cool down a bit, and they're gonna get right inside the buttermilk and flour. All right, so I'll show you guys. I got a tablespoon of paprika right here, guys. Going right in. Mix that. Guys, we're gonna get the cauliflower right off and cool it down a bit. All right, so as you guys can see, you just get these off the stove top right now and pull them out of here, and I'm gonna drain that water, throw all that water away. It wasn't really sitting in any water, guys, so that's a good thing. All right, so we're just gonna get them in our bowl right here. Look at that, guys. They're beautiful. All right, and I won't even run any water in it. You see, they're still nice and firm. They just blanch a bit, guys, so they should be good to get a little bit of spices on there now, and then we're gonna get them inside the buttermilk. All right, so okay, guys, it's still hot, so what we're gonna do, the same flour here with the marinade, guys. I'm gonna take some of the seasoned flour, put it over the cauliflower. All right, just gonna toss them around a little bit so you can get even amount of flour on there. Toss over the nuggets, guys. Right, these are gonna be delicious. Then, guys, we're just gonna get the buttermilk. Pour the buttermilk right over that. All right. See that? Pour it nicely. And then, guys, we're gonna put it right in this flour right here. And we're just gonna toss these like that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Let's get this one out the way so we can get them right on that pan right there. Just shake them around a bit, get off the excess flour. Put your cauliflower nuggets right on your pan here. Guys, they're looking beautiful, eh? We're turning the flavor up. All right, guys. You know that's what we do, turn the flavor up. And guys, gonna get our oil. I'm gonna check the oil right now if it's hot, guys, and we're gonna get them right in on the stove top. All right, okay, guys, cauliflower nuggets, they're down. Okay, guys, cauliflower nuggets, they're out. This is one batch here, guys, looking beautiful. Got a nice sauce to go with this. Your kids will love these, guys. Beautiful. Okay, guys, this is the finished product here of the cauliflower nuggets, guys. They're looking so beautiful, guys. I got plum sauce, I got ranch, I got ketchup there, guys. It's looking amazing, guys. I'm gonna dig in and take a piece out just to show you guys the look of that. See that nice glaze on it, guys? It looks like a piece of chicken, guys. Wow, I'm just gonna put this piece right in my mouth. Wow, guys, flavor up. You won't miss your chicken. All the vegetarians, they're gonna love this. Wow, those cauliflower nuggets, amazing recipe I put together, guys. Thanks for watching again. Like, share, subscribe to this video. Guys, hit the notification bell so you can know when I put up a new video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.